I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to use a V8 sound card for PC karaoke. First, let's get started with the basic connections. You will need to connect your V8 sound card to your personal computer using a standard USB cable. Next, plug your microphone into the designated microphone input jack on the sound card. Finally, connect your headphones or speakers to the monitoring output so you can hear yourself and the music. Make sure all connections are firm for the best sound quality. Now, let's configure your computer's audio settings. Open your sound settings and select the V8 sound card as your default playback device. This ensures all audio from your computer goes through the sound card. Then, choose the V8 sound card as your default recording device for your microphone input. Take a moment to adjust your microphone volume levels to avoid distortion. Finally, perform a quick test to confirm everything is working perfectly. Integrating your V8 sound card with karaoke software is straightforward. Launch your favorite karaoke application on your computer. Inside the software's audio settings, make sure to select the V8 sound card for both your audio input and output. This allows the software to send and receive audio through the card. Don't forget to explore the sound card's built-in effects, like reverb or echo, to enhance your vocals. Play around with the setting to achieve your perfect karaoke sound. To maximize your V8 sound card experience, here are some advanced tips and maintenance advice. Always keep your sound card drivers updated for optimal performance and access to the latest features. Periodically clean the ports to ensure reliable connections and prevent audio issues. Have fun exploring the various sound modes and voice changers that the V8 card offers. Lastly, when not in use, store your sound card in a dry, dust-free environment to prolong its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.